Hey, what's up, Vechain coin holder? What's going on this time, my friends? The Vechain coin price is increasing. You can see here from last 12 hours, the Vechain price is urgently starting moving upward, and I can't expect this, my friend, from Vechain to they will starting moving upward. But definitely, it's really good news, my friend, for all of you. To price will starting increasing, and definitely, my friends, the direction is completely moving upward. You can see here the arrows. So my friend, experts says to in upcoming time also the chance there is 100%, 200% chances to price is going to be 0.2 USD dollar, my friend. Definitely this time you can see the current price is as you can see here 0.13, but the highest is 0.1399 USD dollar. So there is not big differences, my friend, in the both prices, but definitely I hope they will easily hit now 0.2 USD dollar. Yes, my brother, at the end of month. So 0.2, it's mean, my friends, so they will give you a double profit. Yes, my brothers, they will give you a double profit. So if you invest, my friends, 100 USD dollar, absolutely they will give you a 2 USD dollar, 200 USD dollar. So don't waste your time, my friends. Just only go invest now without any doubt, my friend. And absolutely this time they suddenly starting moving upward. So I hope, my friends, to in upcoming time, just in only in 5 to 6 days, they will give you easily, my friends, a very huge profit. All right, thank you so much, my viewers, my subscriber. Kindly like video and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Allah Hafiz, take care.